Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Comprehensive walkthrough of low point drain LPD maintenance in sprinkler system. Low point drain in sprinkler systems. If you work with the fire sprinkler systems as a technician, property owner or inspector, you will know that low point drains are absolutely critical to keeping your system running safely and preventing costly damages. Today I'll walk through a NFPA-based maintenance procedure for low point drain. Step by step. Let's get started. Here's what you will need. Wrench or plier to open the drain cap. VTFE tape for resealing the threads. Bucket or a hose for controlled drainage. Both gloves and safety glasses. A flashlight to check the pipe ends. Most importantly, your maintenance logbook. What are the low point drains? What are low point drains? Low point drains are installed at the lower section of a sprinkler system piping. It is basically a drain wall which is installed at the lowest section of a sprinkler system piping to allow removal of trapped water in the system, in the piping, especially on dry and pre-action sprinkler systems where trapped water can freeze or cause corrosion. NFPA 25 reference, low point drain shall be drained after each operation of the system and as necessary to prevent freezing and internal corrosion. Drains are typically located at the end of the branch lines, remote low points, and near riser rooms. Why low point drain are important? To prevent accumulation of residual water, reduce the risk of pipe freezing in dry systems, ensure complete system drainage during maintenance, compliance with NFPA 13 and 25 inspection requirements, especially when you're going for insurance requirements, which most companies do. NFPA 25 reference, NFPA 25, Chapter 13, dry pipes and pre-action systems. Low point drains shall be inspected for accumulation of water and drained as necessary. NFPA 13, provision of low point drains shall be included in all dry pipe systems. Let's see the step-by-step maintenance procedure. Step 1. Verify system isolation. Before opening any drain, make sure you're not draining an active system and have sufficient supervision before starting the procedure. For wet systems, verify isolation is needed. For dry or pre-action system, verify air pressure status. Step 2. Inspect the drain cap. Check the threads, labels and condition of the plug or cap. Step 3. Loosen cap and drain water. Slowly loosen the drain plug using your wrench while pushing your bucket to collect water. Be ready, there could be dirty water, especially if corrosion is present. NFPA 25 reference. Visible signs of obstruction, corrosion or leakage shall be investigated immediately and corrective action taken. Step 4. Flush if needed. If you observe debris or discoloration, consider a quick flush using air or water to ensure the drain is fully cleared. Step 5. Reseal threads. Once the drain is complete, dry the threads, apply tape and reseal the plug securely. Step 6. Log the maintenance. Finally, record your maintenance activity. Include date, drain location, water condition observed, any issues found. NFPA reference. Requires Section 4.3.2, Edition 2023 requires proper records for all maintenance actions. Some troubleshooting tips. If you experience any of these common issues, act accordingly. Plug thread leaking, check gaskets or use fresh tape, sections, investigate possible corrosion, upstream, no drain label, add curable labeling as required under NFPA 25, Section 13. Quick notes. According to NFPA, low point drains should be inspected quarterly and after any system activation, especially before cold season, to prevent freezing. This is the basic checklist for LPD maintenance. Basically, the left column shows the task and the right is the input by the inspector who does this procedure. Verify location labels visible. Check system is isolated. Remove drain plug carefully. Collect and inspect drain water. Flush if necessary. Reseal threads. Reinstall cap securely. Record maintenance in log. Verify no active leaks. That's the full step-by-step maintenance on low point drains. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more practical fire protection videos, and leave a comment if you have any questions or wanted to suggest future topics you would like to watch in fire engineering topics. Additionally, you can download PDF. You can get a PDF Excel checklist, a detailed extensive checklist based on NFPA 25 and 13 requirements. We have made one checklist available for you. So it is in Excel format or in a PDF format where you can modify according to your requirements. So if you would like to have that, you could send us an email to omtechfiresafety@gmail.com. LPD checklist will be sent to you in by email. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, enjoy, and empower your skills.